Hi there. Finding the 5 best step platform for exercise worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is HomGarden Adjustable Aerobic Stepper. The HomGarden Adjustable Stepper is similar to a few other exercise step platforms in our collection. It is versatile enough for full body circuit use and adjusts to 3 different settings. To adjust this style of step, simply flip the bench upside down, line up the legs and holes, and give a gentle stomp to lock into place. The textured surface offers an above-average grip for sweaty hands so that you can perform everything from push-ups to grueling mountain climbers with ease. The HomGarden's height maxes out at just 8 inches off the ground. Additionally, each foot's rubber nubs are not very well constructed and allow the step to slip out slightly from underfoot, causing our testers to feel less secure than other models. The feet are adequate at protecting your home hardwoods from damage, though, which is a solid plus. If you are looking for a strong, durable, and uber weight-bearing step to accompany your gym setup, we think you'll be pleased with this budget-friendly buy. Number 2. Our second best pick is Reebok Original Aerobic Step. The Reebok Original Aerobic Step is stable enough to be used for many different compound and intense movements. This step is designed to be abused by the heaviest-footed workout enthusiasts with 3 different height settings and a secure base. The step can be set at 6, 8, or 10 inches in height and remains equally stable throughout the range. Once you get the hang of adjusting the feet, the Reebok step becomes an excellent choice for a home or public gym setting. As much as we love the Reebok Original Aerobic Step, it is worth noting that the joints for storing the feet are very tight. Our main tester was physically unable to pull the feet off without assistance. If you're looking to add a bench that can be used for step-up activities as well as support for heavy lifts, we think you'll be quite satisfied with this option. The Reebok is stackable and easy to move, making it an excellent choice for group fitness and gym environments. Number 3. Our third best pick is Escape Fitness Riser Step Platform. The Escape Fitness Riser is a platform meant to be jumped on. Throughout our research, this step stands out amongst the rest as a real winner for plyometric exercises. Plyometrics can be described as the rapid contractions of muscles as a modality for building strength. The upper and lower portions of this step are coated in a thermoplastic rubber that is super grippy. Additionally, the smooth texture of the surface allows for easy cleaning. It is quite apparent that these risers are well made. Unfortunately, the Escape Fitness isn't always the most practical choice. To have more than a not even 5 platform, you'll need to purchase extra risers separately. Overall, we think this particular platform and its corresponding accoutrements would best be utilized in a functional fitness type setting. The base is not quite wide enough for a true step aerobics workout, and it isn't a budget option. But if you are looking to outfit your home gym with some state-of-the-art equipment, you'll likely be pleased with what you get for the money with this setup. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is the Step Original Aerobic Platform. If you have ever attended a step aerobics class or participated in group fitness at your local gym, you are likely to have used the Step Original Aerobic Platform. This platform is ubiquitous in the world of fitness, and while we don't think it is the best on the market, there are many things we do love about it. Not only is it affordable, it offers a lot of versatility with its stack height. The risers can be neatly stacked out of the way in your home gym if you need to create more space. The Step Original is known for being exceptionally slippery on wooden gym floors and Berber carpet. This slip risk increases by quite a lot when the step is used without risers. We recommend this platform to anyone looking to try out an exercise step platform without a huge financial commitment. Because of that, this is also a great choice for bulk purchasing for a public gym setting, probably why so many gyms use this recognizable classic. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is High Step Aerobic Platform. For something a little different, We recommend the Step High Step Platform. This 16 inches square exercise step platform is versatile enough to justify its slightly higher price tag. It comes with 4 risers that can stack up to create a 12 inches platform, allowing each workout to be fully customizable. The risers come together with the loose locking mechanics of older style steps. The square shape allows the grooves to sit together more firmly than rectangular shaped versions, and this style is easy to adjust on the fly and lightweight. The platform is not quite large enough to support a wide stance or big feet. You have to get creative if you want to use a platform of this size for a full body style circuit. However, the ability to go from 4 inches to 12 inches so effortlessly is a bonus. The high step won't cross over into a bench like many others in our roundup, but the compact size makes this a good choice for space-conscious exercise enthusiasts. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.